There are a lot of ideas and methods on how to make money online. Some of them are real, while some are a complete waste of your time. But in this video, I'm going to show you 5 creative ways on how to make money online. Okay, like I said earlier, in this video, I'm going to go over 5 creative ways on how to make money on the internet right now. Some of these methods are passive, which means you'll be able to make money even while you sleep, while some of them are active, which means you have to put in the hard work in order to make money. So the harder you work, the more money you make. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first creative way to make money on the internet right now is through Amazon Kindle Publishing, also known as KDP. Okay, we all know what Kindle ebooks are. So the way you make money with Kindle ebooks is by creating and publishing these ebooks on Amazon. So when you publish a Kindle ebook and people start buying it, that way you start making money, and this is passive income. Okay, and the good thing about this is you don't have to create these ebooks yourself. You can hire a freelancer on websites like Fiverr or Upwork and have them create these ebooks for you, and that way you get to pump out even more ebooks, and that means more money for you. Okay, so the more ebooks you publish, the more money you make. This is actually one of the easiest ways to make money on the internet right now. Okay, so if you're looking to make money, then definitely check out KDP, that's Amazon Kindle Publishing. Okay, that's number one way to make money on the internet. Okay, the second way to make money, second method actually, is with Amazon Handmade. Okay, Amazon Handmade is for artistic people that like, if you like crafting things, then definitely this is for you. This is similar to Etsy, but why I think Amazon Handmade is better than Etsy is because Amazon right now is the #1 e-commerce website in the world with hundreds of millions of customers worldwide. So you're actually going to leverage Amazon's huge marketplace to sell your products. Okay, so when you post a product on Amazon, there's a chance of it being seen by hundreds of millions of customers from all over the world. So if you like crafting things, then definitely Amazon Handmade is actually for you, because people right now, this is actually a gold mine. People right now there are not many people on this platform. There's not much competition, so this is the right time for you to get started. If you're looking to make money on the internet and you like crafting things, and definitely check out Amazon Handmade. Is a good platform, good way to start making money, and a creative way to start making money right now. Okay, so that's Amazon Handmade for you. And the third method to make money on the internet right now is by creating creating courses. Okay, so to create an online course, video course, there are 2 platforms actually. Basically, you need to look into. There are many platforms basically, but these are the 2 major platforms for you to create an online course. Number one is teachable.com. With teachable.com, to create a course on teachable.com is free, but Teachable is when they are going to take a percentage out of your sales. With Teachable.com, you have to know marketing, because you have to promote your products. You have to do a lot of promotions, actually paid ads and all that. So if you're like an influencer, you have a lot of fans, then definitely you can use Teachable, because you already have a lot of followers on social media and all that. So you can easily drive traffic to your courses. That way you can make a lot of sales. But if you're just starting newly, then this is not for you, because you're going to spend a lot of money doing promotions and all that. So if you're starting newly, but with Teachable, you can price your courses just any amount, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, just any amount you wish. okay, but you have to do a lot of promotion. So if you are starting newly with a low budget, then what you need to do is check out udemy.com. Udemy.com is actually uh, when you create a course on udemy.com, is they have a huge marketplace. So we're going to leverage their marketplace to sell your courses, okay? And then you don't have to do a lot of promotion, they will do all that for you, okay? But the problem with this, you know, you can Udemy can decide to put your $300 course on sale for just about $10 at any time without a notice. So you have to take that into consideration. But this is the best way to get started if you're starting newly with online courses. Udemy.com, okay? And the third method or the fourth method for you to make money on the internet right now is through by becoming a transcriptionist. That's by becoming a transcriptionist as freelancing as a transcriber, okay? What this means is when you become a transcriber, it simply means you're going to make money by just listening to audio or watching video clips and type I type in or what is being spoken on the video or audio clip, okay? That's actually very easy to do. It's very easy to do and start making money on the internet, okay? So some of the best platforms to do so are number one is Scribie or Scribie, SCRIBIE.com, okay? This is actually I think the best beginner friendly transcription website if you're looking to get started newly, okay? Their clips when you start newly, their clips are actually very short clips, not more than 6 minutes I think, and you can make money because according to their website you can make anywhere between $400 to over $2,000 a month. So that's actually a good way to make money right now by becoming a transcriptionist on a Scribie or Scribie, okay? So if you want to get started, go to scribie.com and sign up as a transcriptionist, okay? And the second website is transcribeme.com. This is also a transcription website where you can start up as a freelancer, and then you can start transcribing audio files or video files and make money that way. According to this website, also you can make anywhere between $250 to over $1,000 a month. So definitely transcribing is something that is easy to do. You just listen to audio or watch video clips, type what is being spoken, and then that way you make your money, okay? So if you're starting newly, then I'll advise you start with Scribie.com. is beginner friendly, okay? That's that. And okay, now the last one, which is the number 5 creative way, or the 5th creative way to make money online, okay? But before I actually get to that one, if you enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe, also like this video and drop a comment if you have any question, okay? So the last method is by signing up on a website called rentafriend.com, okay? So the way you make money on this website is basically by hanging out with friends. Yeah, you heard me right. By just having fun, hanging out with friends, you make your money. So what you do is you sign up as a friend, and then people will hire you to be their friend for a period of time, okay? And then hang out with them. Maybe they want to go to cinema or any activity actually, okay? So they come to this website, look for a friend and hire them for a period of time and pay them for being a friend. Now you may ask or wonder why would someone want to hire someone just to hang out with them and then pay them? Well, it's easy. Maybe you have an excuse me, maybe there's an activity you are interested in and none of your friends is interested in that activity. Like for example, you want to go hiking or you want to go biking, and none of your friends is interested in that activity. Then you can go to this website, then hire someone to be your friend, and that will actually do that activity with you. Or maybe you travel to a new city and then you're looking for someone to hang out with and show you around, then this is actually the best platform to hire someone to do that with you. So when you sign up on this website and create a gig as a friend, then you're definitely going to get hired by someone and you are going to be paid for just hanging out with them. And according to this website, you can make up to $2,000 a week just by $2,000 a week working full-time as a friend, or you can make anywhere between $300 to $500 working part-time just on weekends. Okay, so that's rentafriend.com. okay, that's that. This is actually a very easy way to make money on the internet just by hanging out, having fun and all that. Okay, so definitely check out this website if you're looking to make money on the internet right now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one.